everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, we're going to be styling with gingerbread men. So come on with me, guys. Now we're starting out here cleaning up this cloche because we're going to go ahead and use that for decorating for Christmas. And this was a DIY cloche and it's huge, guys. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Christmas Cheer Styling My Way. And this is an open collaboration. So the theme is ornaments. Okay, so let me tell you who's hosting. So we have Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Z9 Designs, IB Doll, Debbie Bubbles, and Decorating with Jazzy Green. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting my channels. Amen. Now I did finish cleaning off my cloche. I did take some of that snow that the Dollar Tree sells and I placed it on the bottom of this plate. You also see those nutcrackers and those little bottle brush trees, and we're going to be decorating the inside of the cloche. Now that beautiful green velvet deer, I got that at Dollar General and he's so adorable. So this is the picture window in my kitchen right over my sink. It is huge. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate this whole area with items that I DIY'd in gingerbread. have 3 DIYs with gingerbread men in the back, and then I went ahead and I placed the cloche, and so we're just going to be decorating around it right now. Look at this. So these gingerbread girl and boy I got from the dollar plus section of the Dollar Tree. Now pretty much I've already done my kitchen all in gingerbread. I absolutely love it. They are so adorable. And by the way, all these items came from the Dollar Tree except for that DIY clothes, which I thrifted. Now this picture window also has that shelf, so I'm gonna go ahead and place a couple of pieces there up on the top. But if you guys know me well, you know that I'm gonna keep switching things around until I get it right. And I didn't do that in this video. I did change it out though. So last but not least, I place my poinsettia floral ball up on the top over there. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I think this window came out absolutely adorable. I absolutely love the gingerbread men and girls. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you. Have a Merry, Merry Christmas. Amen.